Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the condenser fan blade in the Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, flathead screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new condenser fan blade. The condenser fan blade is installed on a condenser fan motor shaft. It's located at the back of the refrigerator behind the access panel, inside of the machine compartment. Rotated by the motor, the condenser fan blade cools down the compressor and the condensing coils. If the food stays warmer than usual and you don't feel any air movement under the fridge and there is noise coming from the back of the fridge, it's time to check the condenser fan blade and replace it if needed. We need to remove the access panel. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to take out the screws that holds the panel. And start with this one that holds the ground wire. And we can lift the panel out. Now we need to disconnect the spark plug from the water inlet valve. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver. We're going to pry off. So now I'm going to pull off this line cover. Just grab it on the sides and remove it like this. So now I'm going to take the cover out of the way. To remove the old condenser fan blade, we're going to use the needle nose pliers. I'm going to put it behind that blade on the shaft, and I'm going to pry it off slowly, carefully. Don't break the motor, don't bend the shaft. And now we're going to remove it. This is the old condenser fan blade next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new fan blade goes in this way versus that way. I'm going to slide it in. Place it under the motor shaft. Alright, all the way in. I'm going to put the cover back. And so we can place the line cover on. Slide it on that water valve. Push it on. Now I'm going to put the plug back on. Push it on the terminals. Now we can put the panel back in. The power cord should be out. And we can attach it to the chassis. Right. I'm going to use the same 1/4-inch screws. And I'm going to attach this power cord and the ground wire. Same time, same screw. Alright. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.